Thank you for joining me on this tutorial today. I'll be showing you how to check the health status of any PC, that is personal computer, that you are about to purchase. Don't just go and purchase a PC. After loading applications, you start having issues. Likewise, when you want to buy a car, you check the mileage of that car. I will do a video for that one separately. But today, I want to show you step by step on how to check the health status of any PC you are about to purchase, whether laptop or desktop. Follow me step by step. Let me show you how to check the health status of that PC before you purchase, so that you don't spend your money on unnecessary things. Let's go. You need to go to your system. As you can see, my system is up. Go to your system. You locate this key, that is the window key. You hold the window key and press X. Window key X, and this thing will pop out. Then the next thing you press is T on your keyboard. Then this is what you will see is coming up. Once this thing is up like this, in case you did yours and didn't come up like this, you go down. You can see where my keyboard is. This place, you can touch here. See, it has minimized. If your own open like this, click here where they wrote more details. It will open up. Then you go to performance. Click on performance. When you click on performance, you are seeing the CPU, the memory, the disks, the Wi-Fi, and the GPU. Now, this is where the CPU is displaying. As you can see, you see the CPU is on 2%, 4%. But if you open yours and you are seeing 90%, 80-something percent, that means there's an issue. Take a look. You can see 2%. It tells you that the health of this system is very strong. But if yours is 90-something, there's an issue. That is why you find out sometimes your PC is slow. Now, this is the graph of the CPU is low. Then you click on the memory to check. You can see the memory 28%. If your own is higher, if it's high, that means there's an issue. Now you can see the disk is on 0%. It's active. This is the Wi-Fi. So each of them you click, the graph will pop out. Then this is the GPU. They are all working, and these are very, very healthy. So these are the things you check before buying any system, so that you don't have issue with your system when you start loading applications. Please, if you find this video valuable, I crave your indulgence to click the plus sign to follow me for more of this. Like this video and share it to help someone. Thank you.